Here's a big mistake that we all make. You make it, I make it, I'm trying to make it a lot less, but a giant mistake that we make as sales reps is once we start to get that process down, once we start to get that flow down, we forget how we sound. We forget about our cadence. We forget about our tonality. And a key thing that you need to remember is, even if you have the right thing to say, there's a difference between sounding scripted and sounding like you're trying to find the words. Do you hear the difference there? You know, you need to really look at our dashboards, because our dashboards, Monica, they're going to be a perfect fit for you when you're out in the field and you're out there, you're trying to get people on testing. You're going to be able to see our dashboards in real time. And the really cool thing here, Monica, is you don't even need to go into reporting, because you're just going to be able to see that in real time. Versus, so Monica, here's something that's pretty interesting. When you're out there in the field, and you're meeting with potential new practices, I think one of the things, based on what you've told me with your field work, is it's going to be our dashboard feature. And the reason being there is you're going to be able to see it in real time versus having to pull a report. Now, one, I sound like a salesperson. Even if my solution is the perfect solution for Monica, she's going to do business with me despite the fact that there's a salesperson involved. The other one, I sound like a therapist, right? I sound like somebody who's really taking thought in the matter. So just slow your cadence down. Think about the questions that you're asking and show them that you're putting thought into this. Versus slow your cadence down, think about the questions you're asking, show them that you put thought into it. Because even if you're putting thought into it, but you talk like this, you sound like a salesperson. And I hate to say that as a bad word, because I love salespeople. I'm one myself. But we gotta slow down. Make sense?